Your thoughts are the seed that you plant. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amrita. Before we carry on, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You know, the mind has the power to be hell, the mind can be heaven, and the mind has the capacity to be either. It all lies in your hands as to how you train your mind to function. Hell and heaven do not exist geographically. Even if you search for them, you will not find them. They are not geographical. They're psychological. They're inside you. You have to perceive it and see if you can make your mind to be good, that is heaven, or to be evil, that is hell. You know, there was a study conducted by a psychologist in a school where students were supposed to answer their perception about God. You know, a child's mind is pure, it is free from any kind of external influence. It mostly depicts the human mind, where we alter it according to our situations, but the child mind is pure. So, when that study was conducted and the children were asked to describe their perception on God, most of the answers that the children told revolved around a place where God was looked upon as a divine person, you know, sitting on a huge throne, this old bearded man who, if you do good, will give you all the pleasures and give you paradise, and if you did not do anything according to his rules and wishes, you will be thrown into hell. And I think that is what most human beings also believe, but that is actually not true. Mostly it creates fear. God creates fear, but it is not supposed to be like that. You have to understand there is definitely an energy which is above all of us, but we need not be afraid of that energy. We can train our mind, train ourselves to be good, to connect to that energy, and there is no need for fear in any kind. The way we treat our mind, the way we try to look at things, we need to have control over it. We need to see the good, start seeing the good in everything, start doing good acts, and whatever happens will happen. You know, we need not have that conscious fear in our mind. Okay, if I do this, will it happen? Will good happen back to me, or am I going to get, am I going to get into trouble for doing this? No, you need not worry about all that. Whatever you do according to you is right, just do it. If not, just leave it. Do not worry about the fear of what is going to happen. Do not worry about the fear of the reactions to your actions. Just be true to your actions. Just trust the process, and I think everything will be fine. So there is nothing called as the hell or the heaven or the gateway to the hell and heaven. In fact, the gateway to hell and heaven lies inside you, lies within you. You need to choose the path that you need to go. And once you choose the path, your life will be hell or heaven eventually based on the path that you choose. If you like this video, then share it with all your friends and let me know in the comments below. Until I see you next time. Bye.